Hi everyone! So it is May, and what screams spring like making Halloween decorations? So this video is how to make a DIY cage out of plastic hampers. I got mine from Walmart. You can get them really priced. Other people got them from Dollar General, Dollar Store, wherever you have. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to make this project. Each hamper costs about 97 cents. And then you have however much your skull or your animal skeleton costs. It's pretty easy. It's probably takes you about a day to make it. It depends on if you want lights in it or how you want to set it up. But I found it pretty easy. I put battery pack lights in there so I can put it where I don't have outlets. So it's easier for me to hide it like in my fence line and everything like that. It's pretty durable. I'm really excited about you guys seeing it, so I hope you enjoy. These are just 97 cents at the store. I got mine at Walmart. And all I did is I cut the top edge off of both of them, and then I cut some holes for my skeleton's feet and stuff. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint them black. Sorry, the baby's drinking a bottle right there. And then we're just going to connect them, and I will show you that next. I just have one layer of paint on there. That actually might be enough because it might give that kind of effect that I want. I don't know yet. I'm letting that dry. And so then there's the other one. And they're just going to connect together. Once I figure out the best way to attach them, whether if it's with super glue or with hot glue, I don't really know yet. But yeah, you just do spray paint normal, let it dry, and then we'll connect them. And once they're dry and ready to go, we'll do that. Product. Sorry, my camera doesn't want to get the whole thing. Here are where it's joined. I used electrical tape, or you could use duct tape, and then I would use some type of glue for the rest of them. I used hot glue. I would use super glue, but my super glue ran out. And since I'm not going to put anything really heavy in there, it should be okay. The skeleton I was going to use, he's just too big, and he just doesn't fit right. So I have a bat skeleton outside with all my Halloween stuff that I'll use him. I'm going to figure out a way to kind of adhere him to the top part up there. My cage with my bat in it. I just have battery pack lights, and I just hot glued them all in there. He is hot glued to that stick in there, which I drilled a hole in it to do that. I think it looks pretty cool. My son wants me to make like 10 more of these. I don't have that many more skeletons, small skeletons like this, so I'd have to get some more. But I think I'm going to for Halloween. I think making more of these would be cool. I really like it. Alright, bye.